Hi guys and welcome back. So the stoke level for this video is absolutely high because we're going to be taking a look at some bullish moves that Cardano is making right now. Right now, as you're watching this video, Cardano is on an uptrend and it is on it's forming a pattern that to me looks very bullish. So let's now take a look at the charts here, the candlesticks, and I'll show you why I think that Cardano is in a very strong position right now, and why it could it's actually forming a bullish pattern. And I think that in the next couple of weeks to a month, we will be seeing some crazy price action that would just blow our minds. So we are currently laying at $1.74. This indicator right here, the BOLL indicator, it's these lines here. It makes three lines, one here, and one in the middle. And this is kind of close to the monthly moving average, 25-day moving average, sorry. So yeah, it's kind of the same as that, so you can't really see it, but there's three lines. Basically what this determines is when we're above this middle line here, Cardano is in a strong stage, but when it's in the lower side here, it's actually in a weak stage. So that is not the most important thing here at all, but I just want to bring your attention to that because as you can see right now, we are in a strong stage. Of course, it goes up and down all the time, but that is one of the things that plays together with the rest of my thinking here. So the important thing here is that I actually think that Cardano is repeating a bullish pattern that it has had the last time that it went bullish here up to its all-time high. So why do I think that this is something that is happening right now? Well, I want you to look at this right here, from this previous all-time high to when it went up again, basically from this all-time high to this one, and then from this one to where we are now. It's actually kind of the same, just in a smaller scale. It has the same crashes, and so yeah, let's count two crashes in right here. Doom. It goes up here, tiny crash right here, right here, and now we are here. So where I think we are right now, I think we are right here. Actually, I think we're in this semi-stable place, and right now, as I said before, we are in a strong stage of Cardano because we're in this up side of this tube right here, this indicator, and I actually think that we are seeing a repeat pattern right here, and that this right here is coming. This right here, you can see this. This is where it began. This is where it began to shoot up, and I think that is what we are seeing here. So I don't doubt, and if that is not correct, if we're not here in this repeat pattern, of course it doesn't have to repeat this pattern, but the truth is, all these resistance lines and all these patterns, the reason that these impact the price in such a way is that it's kind of hard barriers in price to break through, and that. But actually, the main reason that these resistance and support lines work like they do, when they hit a support line, they bounce, right? Often the times, of course. And why is that? Why does that always happen? Well, that's because all the traders, they are looking for this, and then they go in and invest, and that ups the liquidity and maybe attract a whale, which is a big investor, a big firm company that invests many billions into a crypto. So that is they like when there's a lot of liquidity, a lot of trading going on, and that is of course often when we are close the support line and stuff like that, then they can buy, and then oftentimes they bounce, right? So that is why these things work, and I just want to say that if we're not here right now, I think there could go potentially a month or something before we see this bullish pattern. I don't know if we're of course going to see this pattern, but I think it's very likely because all the other traders out there, they are looking for these patterns. They are sitting and thinking to themselves, wow, now we're seeing this pattern once again. Well, maybe I should go and invest a bit. And because everyone thinks that a tiny bit can push up the market, right? Of course, there's a lot of other factors, but fact is that these repeat patterns is a very true thing, and you can see there's a lot of patterns that that repeat when we are looking at the bullish moves, the uptrends, and when it has went kind of a bearish downtrend over here. So yeah, definitely something to look out for. I think maybe if we're starting to go more flat here the next couple of days, week, something like that, if we are going flat, not a lot of volatility, right, then I actually think that we are probably going to wait a month or half a month, and then we'll see this shoot up again to a new, possibly a new all-time high, because we're just going to see so much. It's going to go whoop up here, right, up here, because of all this technology that is going to push it up in the summer. I think we will see so much action in the price in the summer. So I'm just so happy for this coin right now, and I really I'm really bullish on it because of these patterns that show up. There's other great YouTubers that make price analysis videos on this also, so definitely go out and gather information on what will happen. So yeah, I just think that it's in a very strong stage right now. It really looks like it, with all the experience that I have looking at these charts. This looks like a strong market. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Go out there, gather advice, and research yourself, most importantly. So if you want a bit of homework, basically some things that you can kind of look out for when you're doing your own price analysis, then I would say take a look at this right here, since this all-time high and this one, and then take a look at and find out where we are right now, because I don't know if we are here, or if we are here, or if we're where we are, right? I don't know it. So when we go further into the month, then we will of course have more knowledge about where we are, and we will see how the price performs, and then we can better put it into this pattern. So that was pretty much it. We closed out from the month of May yesterday in the green with Cardano, and that was one of the only cryptos, or not one of the only, but one of the few cryptos out there that actually ended the month in the green. So that is very nice for Cardano. That also just shows that they are going under undergoing some great improvements. And here I'm actually, as a, you know, I'm going to say that here in the summer, in the next couple of months, I wouldn't be surprised if we see 100% return until in the next two months or so. From here, I'm thinking like $4 is my price target for the next 2 months. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also make sure to go and watch my price prediction for this video. I'll link it up here in the corner. Yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day. Don't forget it, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and as well as subscribing, because there are going to be a lot of price analysis that we are going to be able to take a look at here soon. A lot of great patterns that we'll be analyzing and discussing. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.